Hi, my name is Katharine and today I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's Day card. To make your card you'll need one sheet of white card, scrap card or cardboard, scissors, red and pink colouring pens. So first you need to fold your A4 piece of card in half to create a gift card shape. Next you're going to fold your scrap card in half and draw half a heart at the fold. Cut out. Do not cut the fold, just cut the drawn outline of the half the heart. You will have a whole heart once you unfold the card. Hold the heart card you've just cut out hard on the front of your card. Use pink and red pens to create dots all around the outside of the heart. You need lots of dots, so keep going. Remove the scrap card heart and you should have a lovely dotty outline of a heart left